Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to share Instagram profile link. Friends, if you want to share your Instagram profile link with someone, then you simply need to open your Instagram app. Now in your Instagram app, you need to press on the profile icon. Now here you need to press on share profile. Now from here you can copy link or you can press on share profile to share it on some other app. Now from here you can select any app. I am selecting WhatsApp. Now here select the person with whom you want to share this profile link. Now after selecting the person, press on the send button. Now press on the send button again. Now your Instagram profile link is shared in WhatsApp. So friends, like this you can very easily share your Instagram profile link on any app. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.